This potato is sprouted. This potato is sprouted. The cookie dough is too sticky. The cookie dough is too sticky. The light bulb is flickering. The light bulb is flickering. The faucet is dripping. The faucet is dripping. My glasses are fogged up. My glasses are fogged up. The sink is clogged. The sink is clogged. I can't open the pepper grinder. I can't open the pepper grinder. The pan is too hot. The pan is too hot. The garbage bag is full. The garbage bag is full. Cooking alone makes me tired. Cooking alone makes me tired. I can't find the salt. I can't find the salt. The pot is too heavy for me. The pot is too heavy for me. My hands are shaking. My hands are shaking. My eyes are watering from the onions. My eyes are watering from the onions. I can't open this jar. I can't open this jar. My back hurts when I stand too long. My back hurts when I stand too long. I can't reach the top shelf. I can't reach the top shelf. The lid is stuck. The lid is stuck. The fridge is too full. The fridge is too full. The plate is chipped. The plate is chipped. The trash can smells bad. The trash can smells bad. I spilled the soup. I spilled the soup. My apron got stained. My apron got stained. The floor is wet and slippery. The floor is wet and slippery. The water is boiling over. The water is boiling over. I can't find the measuring cup. I can't find the measuring cup. The frying pan is sticky. The frying pan is sticky. The dish is too salty. I added too much salt. The dish is too salty. My knees hurt when I bend down. My knees hurt when I bend down. I feel dizzy when I stand up quickly. I feel dizzy when I stand up quickly. The water is too hot. The water is too hot. This lettuce is wilted. This lettuce is wilted. I burn my finger. I burn my finger. This apple is bruised. This apple is bruised. I burn the toast. I burn the toast. I overcooked the vegetables. I overcooked the vegetables. I forgot to turn off the stove. I forgot to turn off the stove. The knife is too dull. The knife is too dull. The milk is spoiled. The milk is spoiled. I spilled the oil on the floor. I spilled the oil on the floor. I dropped the egg on the floor. I dropped the egg on the floor. I cut my finger while chopping. I cut my finger while chopping. I dropped the spoon in the soup. I dropped the spoon in the soup. The cutting board is slippery. The cutting board is slippery. I tripped over the rug. I tripped over the rug. The cookies are too hard. The cookies are too hard. I forgot the recipe. I forgot the recipe. I can't hear the timer. I can't hear the timer. I burned the rice. I burned the rice. The microwave is beeping too loud. The microwave is beeping too loud.